Hey, good afternoon. This is Chris Covert with Saunders and Bridgehampton with the Hamptons Luxury Real Estate Weekly Market Report. Today is Wednesday, May 1st. It's May Day, so happy May Day to all my socialist friends, and please go get a job. Over the last week, there have been about 40 deals going into contract on the East End, including Shelter Island. Most notably, just in the last day or so, looks like 199 Cooper's Neck Lane in Southampton Village is going into contract. That had just been listed just under 13 million. Also of note, 9 out of the almost 40 deals were in Sag Harbor alone. So significant activity in Sag Harbor, and that's a full spread from just under $10 million to under $1 million. So a lot of activity Sag Harbor in the last week. Of the deals that have closed and recorded and now been reported, seeing 121 Appoquag Road in East Hampton Village. That closed at 5.5 million, last listing at 5.75, and originally at just under 7 last year, early 2018. 320 Old Montauk Highway has closed at 16 million, last listed at 20 million. And one that we had noted a few weeks ago going into contract, 6 Old Town in Southampton Village. That had been listed at just under 35 million since July of 2017. That closed down at 27 million. So a significant number, but also significant discount, which seems to be the story of the day. On broader economic news over the last week, strong corporate earnings continued to be reported. GDP grew in the first quarter at 3.2%. And in just the last couple of hours, the Fed has announced, as expected, that the rates would remain unchanged. Looking at the real estate in the first quarter, firms continuing to put out some numbers that were beginning to line up here. The first quarter, as I think we all knew, was off here in the Hamptons real estate market. I think personally, got to look at the fourth quarter in the stock market and think that all those losses in the fourth quarter probably directly correlated. Let's hope that first quarter stock market gaining back all those losses, that we'll see activity in the Hamptons start to pick up. Certainly Sag Harbor showing some strength. But all indicators, including the supply and the inventory right now, this is a buyer's market. So Saunders will have our fully vetted out quarterly numbers. Hopefully in the next week or 10, we'll take a deep dive then. But that's really a quick summary of the week. So have a great week. We'll see you next week. Thanks.